Let's learn how you can recover your Google or Gmail password without having a phone number. Before we start, I want to tell you that you can reset your password with a second email. If you have connected email, you can try to send the verification code to that email, and from there you can reset your Google password. If you don't have access or you didn't connect a second mail to your email account, you will have to go to browser. I will use Safari, and you will have to type in support.google.com on search, and this website will show up. Now click on this, describe your issue. You'll just have to type how to recover Google without recovery email or phone number. Now new page will appear. You will have to click on this community tab up there. Once community tab opens, you will have to scroll down till this section where there is option post a question. Click on there, and here you will have to write a short summary of your issue. You can tell reset password on Google and explain your problem. You can type here I don't have access nor to phone number or recovery email. Of course, you will have to write a lot more. You can also add images or add-ons to your post to share proofs. You will also have to type in the email and old password you remember here. That will help you a lot. For example, let's say apptutorials.com and last password you remember. For example, you can also share images from your phone if you have some proof that account is yours. Now on category, please select, you can select account access and recovery and click on next. Choose the best description, lost, forgot or changed password. Next step, check similar content. You can see if this helps you. If it doesn't, click on next step, add more details, select platform, select the platform you're using from. I'm on iOS, so I will have to click on there, and here this is a confirmation in the end. You can check this get email when someone responds. They will send you a response to current account you're logged in. When you're done, just click on this post blue button and you're done. You should wait for Google support to answer your question, and if account is yours, they will recover your account. So thanks for watching and see you in the next